In last video, we have downloaded those all ISO file which we needed for the lab. Now in this video, we are going to install the server 2022 on the VMware Workstation. Search for VMware Workstation, which we already installed in the last video. Open it. Click on create a new virtual machine. Typical, of course. Next, we need to select the path where you have saved your ISO file. I have pasted all the ISO file in one location and put it the name lab ISO file. So just do the same thing. Okay, so you really don't have to go into downloads folder all the time. So just paste on the safer side on the D drive. So even though your machine is got formatted, you will have all the ISO file which we needed. Okay, browse the drive, lab ISO file, then 2022, open. Next, product key, really don't have to put it over here. Don't select core meaning once you install this, you need to log in with the CLI mode and you need to perform each and every action using the command prompt. So select this one, standard. Okay, admin password, I'm just giving 123 say next. Yes, and now you need to create a separate folder for virtual machines. vCenter lab, create server 2022 active directory or domain controller. Copy the inside vCenter lab server 2022 active directory. Next, we need to give 60 GB is more than enough for the active directory, the domain controller. Say next, customize hardware. We can give at least 4 GB to this server. Processor 2 is fine. Close. Finish. Installation is done. Okay, and we'll see you next video to install the domain controller and set the host name and the static IP address in the next video. Thank you for watching.